Mean it, Jessica snapped. I'm sorry, Jessica. She crossed her arms. You're sitting away from us on the plane. Mom nodded. You need to think about your behavior. What they didn't know. I'd paid for the entire trip. Flights, $4,200. Hotel, $3,800. Rental car, $600. Activities, $1,500. Total, $10,100. All on my credit card. They thought Jessica had planned everything. I'm treating the family to Hawaii. She'd announced at dinner last month. Mom and Dad had been so proud. You're so generous, honey. I'd smiled and said nothing, but Jessica had just slapped me, and they blamed me. In front of everyone. I need to use the bathroom, I said. Hurry up, Dad said. Boarding's in 20 minutes. I walked toward the restrooms, then pulled out my phone, called the airline. I need to cancel 3 tickets on flight 447 to Honolulu. Confirmation number? I read it off, because I'd booked everything. Are you sure? There's a cancellation fee. Cancel them. 3 tickets gone. Jessica's, Mom's, Dad's. Mine stayed active. Then the hotel. Modify my reservation. 1 guest instead of 4. No problem, sir. Then the rental car. Cancel the SUV. I'll take a compact. Done. My heart was pounding.